Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I have another kind of alternate sourcing from home, sourcing during COVID-19 test that I did. It's from a little place called Nordstrom Rack. You've heard of it. It can be a good option right now. It's definitely a good option for trendy, cute stuff, but you definitely have to make sure your cost of goods is going to give you a decent profit because you're paying more per item, right? My failed Nordstrom Rack attempt, let's see, I bought 4 pairs of shoes, 2 Sorels, and 2 Kenneth Cole Reaction, like velvet ballet flats. So they took a minute to sell in general, just due to size. The Kenneth Coles, multiple sites, multiple relists, sell similars, new listings, etc. over 2 years. 2 years! And oddly, during COVID-19, that's when the last pair sold. The Sorels, I ended up getting like $50 for each. When you pay $35 for shoes, $50 is pretty useless after fees and shipping. A profit, I maybe made like 20-ish, and that's 100% not worth it for me. I've been close to nowhere, and I've been interacting with the same 2 people for months. Months. Let's get into this haul. So, real talk, this arrived weeks ago. The reason it's in a bag is because I wanted to pull it out of the box and get rid of the box. At that point, I was a little more paranoid about things coming into the house. Sparkles! I got a bunch of Madewell leather pouches. When I looked up the comps, they looked like they were going for around 20 used. So new, I figured they'll go for 25-30. They're made of leather. And I got 2 silver, 2 gold, and 2 pink because, hello, why not get the pink? Beautifully made, nice zipper. So retail, $49.50. Okay, so they're beautiful. I think those are going to sell well. I can't wait to get those listed. I'm not necessarily expecting these to fly out the door right away. I'm kind of a sparkle human. Sparkle human. I know, I don't know, especially during this world crisis right now, things that make us happy, even for a second, like I think we're all into that. Sparkly wallets, a pleasure. Really? Did I only get 3 pairs? Well, apparently I only got 3 pairs. I got 3 pairs of Crevo footwear. I've sold a secondhand pair of Crevos for around $60. These ones, obviously new in box, these are the Artemis Design, size 10. I'm just gonna pull out one, because they're brand new, y'all, so they shouldn't have anything wrong with them. Oh, cute. So kind of basic outdoor hiking goodness. Cute sole. Kind of looks like it's recycled, perhaps. So it looks like we've got some suede leather here. Memory foam. So this is the Artemis. This is their tan color. I think it's really cute. It reminds me of really simple hiking boots, but they're definitely modernized. That sole is really different. You've got the contrast stitching along the side and pretty sexy black laces. This one is Jeff, GEO FF. I remember I had a friend named Jeff spelled that way in middle school. Oh, these are super cute. So these have the little suede back. They are leather in the front, all brown action, with some kind of some chevron tweed happening on the inside here. These are a size men's 7. A woman might be able to buy them too. Very cute, simple, modern. They're kind of like a cross between a chukka and a hiking boot. Okay, last one. This one is the Neil, N-E-A-L. What up, Neil? Q song by Neil Diamond or Neil Young. I prefer Neil Young. Oh, cuteness. Okay, so these are pretty ginormous, but I got them because they're lovely. These are a 13 medium. It's from the side. The other side with their zipper action. So meant to just whoop whoop, nice and quick. Maybe you do the laces once and you call it good. These are really beautiful, all suede on the front, burnished leather on the back. I just find them kind of as exquisite. They look kind of Victorian, you know? Nice suit action, but also these would be really cute with little short punk rock jeans or pants. Yeah, I really feel like you could dress these up or down. I'm really happy with this little mini haul. I hope it was enjoyable. Hit the subscribe button down below. Click that bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And bye!